This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 RM Sotheby's auction over here in Hershey, PA. We're checking out this 1911 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. This is a very unusual car because of the bodywork. The body is by Barker. Now again, remember back then you would just buy a chassis. You would not buy a complete car in this class. I love these headlights. They're huge. Swing them open to light. Of course, crank start because the electric start did not come in till 1912. These spotlights. This car is immense, absolutely so huge that door sill is probably about 5 feet off the ground. Now, check out the way how when the window comes up, you've got the two bars over there. And I'm going to see if I can open this. There we go. That's how you would open the window with that. You would pull that up. This would come up, and the glass would come up. Coachwork by Barker's, London. You've got the shifter right there, and your brake right there. Look at the way how this is arranged with that, almost like a do-si-do. You've got windows in the back. I like the very interesting pulls. This car has such fascinating details. Now, can you imagine getting in there? Look how tight it is. And of course the seats don't adjust. It's funny is that steering wheel is just off center a bit, and the seat looks like it's just slightly askew to make up for it. I would not be surprised if that's not all silver. See the mechanisms down there. Toolbox. Another interesting feature about this car, I want to just point out another thing. Okay, does not have the gas gauge there. A lot of them do. 1, 2, 3 steps up into the rumble seat. The size of this girl. Again, it's immense. I like the split windshields. The aluminum hood polished. Oh, looks like that seat might adjust. But you see what I mean with the seating? Now look at that. Big blocks for pedals. Quite a car indeed. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 RM Sotheby's auction in Hershey, looking at the 1911 40-50 horsepower Rolls-Royce Silver Phantom. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.